Greetings hobbyists, this is Artisans of All. And in this video series we're having a look at some of the less talked about extensions in Blender that are worth your time checking out. So if you know any that don't get a lot of coverage, feel free to throw them in the comments section so we know what to take a look at. And in this one we're having a look at the extension Vertex Overlap. So the way this extension works is if you're in edit mode and you hit N and come to your edit panel, you get this vertex overlap box. And if you've got any overlapping vertices, it will warn you about it. Now in Blender there's a couple of ways you're likely to get overlapping vertices. The first is that if you do a bevel with clamp on and then you scroll up, if we come into vertex mode, you very typically at the top get two overlapping vertices because you've got 2 points that have been brought together. That can cause you some issues, especially for 3D printing or booleans. You can also, if you're in face mode and you extrude a face and then for some reason press escape, that doesn't actually cancel the extrusion. Instead, it just leaves it in place. So again, you've got vertices overlapping on each of the corners. So this can be a problem, especially if you don't know where to look. So this has got a few options to it. The first is that in any mode, if you click check overlaps, then you will get the number of overlapping vertices that this model has got. You can also, in vertex mode specifically, click show overlaps and it will show you where they are. Now you could do the normal thing to get rid of those by hitting M and then merge by distance, but you've also got this merge vertices option here. So that is really useful to do. Now if we just go back slightly, there is another option for this if you choose to, but this is a paid for add-on, but I've recently talked about the check mesh add-on. If I click this to be active, you'll notice that it can check for a number of things, and one of the ones that's been added recently, along with non-flat faces, is overlapping vertices. And nicely, this will turn a really clear pink color, though you can obviously change the color if you don't want it to be pink. And as long as you're clicked on an object, that will appear. So it makes it very easy for you to see, whereas your vertex overlap, if we just turn this off, needs to be done in edit mode. So in edit mode, check overlaps and then show overlaps. But then vertex overlap is free, making it accessible for everyone. I will put a link to check mesh in the description, but vertex overlap is available in the get extension panel of your edit menu. I am going to be covering a number of extensions in this series. Each one will get its own video so it's easy to search for, but if you're not subscribed or you haven't hit that bell icon, do so that you know when those videos are up. Hope to see you in the next one, and have a great day.